Alright, you ready for some plank and push-ups? Starting off with that plank. Belly button to your spine, holding that core nice and tight. Straight line from that head to your toe, or straight line from that head to your knees. Just make sure you don't have that butt sticking up. Flat back. Nice. You also have those option to be on those planks if that's easier, or those forearms if that's easier. Try to look 6 into the head to get that neck upward. We have 4, 3, 2, 8 push-ups. 8. Nice. Down and up. Nice. Keep breathing. 4 more. 4, 3, 2, 1. Last one down and hold. Hold. Back up. Hold. That plank. Yes. I'm starting to shake here. Pretty good. Keep breathing. Inhale. Exhale. Yes. 4, 3. Shoulder taps. Here you go. Taps. Taps. Nice. Pretty good. We have 4, 3, 2, 8 push-ups. Here you go. Down and up. Nice. Again, you always have those options to be on those knees if you want. Nice. 4, 3. Triceps. Nice and low. Down for 2. Up for 2. Yes. Keep breathing, keep breathing. Nice. Last one. Stay down and hold. Hold. Nice. 4, 3. Halfway, here you go. Halfway. Nice. Keep breathing. Hold that plank. Yes. Nice. One last time to catch that breath. Find that center. You know what's coming up next. 4, 3. Push-ups. Here you go. Down and up. Finish it off strong. Nice. Keep breathing, keep breathing. Nice. Make sure you don't hyperextend those elbows. Triceps. Down for 2. Up for 2. Hold that core nice and tight. Keep breathing. We're almost there. Last one. Plank holds. Here you go. Hold. Yes. Finding that center one last time. Yes. Woo! That was a tough one.